You have a powerful scent of death on you. It's quite lovely, really.
I thought maybe we could talk.
Such a puny creature dares to dalliance with the almighty necromancer.
Well, here's the thing about that. You don't exist.
I won't fall for your mind games.
This isn't a game. Let me lay it out for you. You died. You were in a dark place for what felt like an eternity until suddenly you were pulled into the light with a singular, inexplicable mission to retrieve a knife.
Do continue.
It's been the same with all the creatures that came before you. A dragon, a gargoyle, an arachne, a dryad.
Bah! Such creatures exist only in fiction.
No, they've been erased from history. And so have you.
That's preposterous. I'm world-renowned. People tremble at the sound of my name.
Don't believe me? Read up.